Hello everyone, it's Dr. Nezé here at EzLivingMD. I have a great testimonial today from one of my wonderful patients, and he'll tell you all what he's been going through with his blood pressure, and we're also going to tackle his cholesterol. But let him tell you how he's been dealing with it since he was 20 and what we've finally been able to help him with, okay? All right.
Hey everybody, my name is Mike, and I just wanted to express, I guess, the gratitude and the thankfulness that I have for for God leading me here to Dr. Nezé. I've been dealing with blood pressure issues since my early 20s, on and off medications, changing medications, trying to do it on my own by changing my own diet, trying to exercise. Nothing has worked. I'm 39 now. I came in contact with Dr. Nezé March of 2023. And prior to this, I've been seeing doctors. I even went to a cardiologist who had been trying to tackle this blood pressure issue. Nobody, out of all the doctors, even a specialist, a cardiologist, no one could help me with it. They've changed my pills. They upped the dosage of the blood pressure pills, and nothing seemed to work. Along with my exercise and what I thought I was doing a good diet of, but nothing helped. I came in contact with Dr. Nezé in March of 2023. We're here now in August, and I just met with my cardiologist yesterday, and he lowered my dosage because from March, I keep a really good log of my blood pressure. I take it every other day and keep a good log of it. I look back from 2022, even increasing the dosage, the blood pressure never changed. I started with Dr. Nezé in March of 2023, and from March till now in August, my log, you look at everything and you can see the blood pressure dropping and then stabilizing. With her supplements, with her guidance, with her diet that she recommends, and everything is tailored to you specifically, because everybody's different. Everybody's body is different.
Stress is different.
Right, the stress is different. Everybody's life is different.
Detox we did.
Exactly. So she tailors it to you specifically. Everybody is different, and I am so thankful to her, and again thankful to God for coming in contact with her, for Him guiding me here to her, because out of all these years, like I said, I'm 39 now. This started in my early 20s, and no one, doctors, specialists, no one has been able to help except for her. And I'm so grateful to her and thankful to her for her guidance and her help. And I just wanted to share that with everybody.
Thank you, Mike. We're very, very people that take their health seriously, ready to make all the changes, doing the work. When I tailor it, they understand. They take it in, they do it, and they do all the work, the mental work, the emotional work, the spiritual work, the breath work, all of that stuff. So yes, so now you hear it. So see you soon. One love, everybody. Ashe.